Hi, I'm Alina from the HR team at Riverside Medical Center. When a new staff member joins, collecting their information accurately and getting it into our system quickly is critical, especially in a hospital environment. In this guide, I'll show you how we use a single Excel workbook with 2 linked sheets to handle new staff onboarding. No paperwork, no manual data entry, no duplicate work. Let's go. Open the Riverside Medical Center onboarding workbook. You'll notice it has 2 sheets at the bottom, Staff Input Form and Onboarding Tracker. These 2 sheets are connected, whatever the staff member fills in on. Sheet 1 appears automatically on Sheet 2. Let's start with Sheet 1, the Staff Input Form. This is what the new staff member receives on their first day or before joining. It has 5 sections: personal information, employment details, payroll and banking, emergency contact, and a documents checklist. The white cells are editable. The staff member fills these in. The teal cells are labels. They don't need to touch those. Let me show you how it works. In the personal information section, the staff member enters their full name, date of birth, passport number, personal email, phone number, and home address. In employment details, they enter their job title, department, employment type, start date, reporting manager, and work location. In payroll and banking, they enter their bank name, account holder name, account number, sort code, and national insurance number. This goes directly to the payroll team, so accuracy here is critical. They fill in their emergency contact details in Section 4. And in the documents checklist at the bottom, they confirm which documents they've submitted. You can see some are marked yes in green and one is marked pending in amber. That means it still needs to come in. Once the staff member has completed all the fields and saved the file, they send it back to HR. Now watch what happens when we click on the onboarding tracker sheet. You can see the first row has already been populated. The staff member's name, department, job title, start date, manager, and email have all been pulled through automatically from Sheet 1. No copying, no pasting, no manual entry. The remaining columns, from contract signed all the way through to induction complete, are filled in by the HR team as each milestone is completed. Green means done, amber means in progress, and anything still blank or marked pending needs follow-up. The status column on the right gives an at-a-glance summary for each person. You can see we have 8 new joiners this month. 2 are fully complete, 3 are in progress, 1 is still pending, and 2 are not started yet as they join in June. The notes column lets the HR team add quick context. For example, Sarah Mitchell has her induction scheduled for the 14th of May. At the bottom, the summary row shows the total across all joiners at a glance. This 2-sheet system means the staff member fills in their data once. It flows straight into the tracker, and the HR team only needs to update the milestones as they're completed. If you have any questions about the onboarding process, contact the HR team at Riverside Medical Center. Details are in your welcome pack.